Falafel is a popular Middle Eastern fast food. In this video, I will show you how to make amazing and healthy vegan spinach and pea falafels. We will add our falafels to a pita bread with salad. I will also show you how to make some simple potato wedges and a spicy tomato sauce. To make the healthy vegan spinach and pea falafels, you need the following ingredients: 250 grams of garden peas, 2 handfuls of spinach, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of ground paprika, 3 cloves of garlic, half of a large white onion, half a teaspoon of dried basil, half a teaspoon of dried parsley, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of graham flour, and sunflower oil. We also need 1 wholemeal pita bread, 3 small tomatoes, 2 large lettuce leaves, and 2 spring onions. To make the potato wedges and a spicy tomato sauce, you need the following ingredients: 2 small white potatoes, Italian passata, small amount of dried basil, parsley and oregano, and chili flakes. You can find a full list of all the ingredients in the video description. Step 1. Let's start making the healthy vegan spinach and pea falafels. For this step, you will need a blender. Add the 250 grams of garden peas to the blender. Add the half onion and 3 garlic cloves. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and half a teaspoon of ground paprika. Add half a teaspoon of dried basil, parsley, oregano, and a pinch of salt. Add the 2 handfuls of spinach. Add 2 tablespoons of graham flour. Blend all the ingredients. Step 2. Add a small amount of sunflower oil to a large frying pan and turn on the gas to medium heat. Use a tablespoon to place the spinach and pea falafel mixture into the frying pan. Try to keep all the falafels the same size for even cooking. Cook the falafels for 4 minutes and then turn over and cook for another 4 minutes. Let's start making the potato wedges while the falafels are cooking. Add sunflower oil to a deep frying pan and turn on the gas to medium heat. Cut the small potatoes into wedge shapes and keep the skin on the potatoes to make them taste extra yummy. Carefully place the potato wedges into the frying pan. Turn the potato wedges often and cook for 8 to 10 minutes until golden brown. Place the wedges on a paper towel once fully cooked to soak up any excess oil. Before continuing this video, it would be great if you could support my channel by hitting that like button, subscribing to my channel for more awesome videos, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Step 4. Add approximately 10 tablespoons of Italian passata to a small frying pan and turn the gas to low heat. Add some optional chili flakes. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil, parsley, and oregano. Stir the spicy tomato sauce and cook for 2 minutes on low heat. Remove the falafels from the frying pan when both sides are fully cooked. Step 5. Heat up the pita bread using a grill, toaster, or frying pan. Tip: add a little water to the outside of the pita bread to stop it from drying out. Grab a plate, cut open the pita bread and add some of the spicy tomato sauce. Remove the skin and seed from the avocado, cut into 4 sections and add to your plate. Add some chopped lettuce, fresh tomatoes, spring onions, and the falafels to your pita bread. Add the potato wedges to your plate and the remaining spicy tomato sauce to a small bowl. Finally, put on some nice relaxing music and enjoy your homemade healthy vegan spinach and pea falafels, pita bread with salad, potato wedges, and a spicy tomato sauce. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video until the end. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and gained some new cooking skills. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this.